If you want to know how to register for a Tinkercad account in 2026, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the full sign-up process step by step so you can create your free account quickly and start using Tinkercad without any confusion. Since Tinkercad is owned by Autodesk, your registration also creates an Autodesk ID, which you can use across Autodesk services. This is a great option for beginners, students, teachers, hobbyists, and makers who want to get started with 3D design, circuits, and more. If this tutorial helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Now, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to tinkercad.com. Once the website loads, look at the top right corner of the page and click Sign Up. You'll be taken to the registration options, and this is where you need to choose the account type that fits your situation. You should see three main choices: educators, students, and personal account. If you are a teacher and want to manage a classroom, assign work, and organize students, then the educators option is the one you want. If you already have a class code from a teacher, then choose students. That option is designed specifically for classroom access and does not require a full personal email registration in the same way. But if you are a hobbyist, a maker, a beginner, or a content creator, then the best choice for most people is personal account. This is the simplest and most flexible option for general use, and that's the one I recommend in this tutorial. After selecting personal account, Tinkercad will show you the available sign-up methods. You can register using your email address, or you can sign in with an existing account from Google, Apple, or Microsoft. If you want the fastest setup, social sign-in is usually the easiest because it skips the extra email verification step. Just choose the account you want to use, then follow the login prompts on screen. If you prefer email registration, enter your country and date of birth first, then type in your email address and create a strong password. Make sure your password is something secure that you can remember, especially if you plan to keep using this account for future projects. After that, continue through the prompts and complete any verification steps that appear on screen. Tinkercad may ask you to confirm your details before finishing the registration process, so take a moment to check everything carefully. Once your account is created, you'll be able to access your Tinkercad dashboard and begin exploring the platform. From there, you can start designing 3D models, experimenting with circuits, or joining a classroom if that's the account type you selected. And that's it. You successfully registered for a free Tinkercad account. It's a quick process, and once your Autodesk ID is set up, you'll be ready to start creating right away. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another simple tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.